Where are my glasses? Behind me? On the table. Watch this video for prepositions of place. Don't forget to subscribe.
English with us! Yes!
Prepositions are connecting words. They show the relationship between two words. Prepositions of place are used to show us the position or location of one thing with another. Well, a thing, a person, a place, or an animal. They tell us exactly where something is. For example, where is the book? The book is on the table, not under, not next to, not in front of, not above, but on. There are a few prepositions that indicate position or location.
Behind, in front of, opposite, next to, beside, between, near, close to, far from, above, over, below, under, outside, and inside. Prepositions of place.
Some prepositions are synonyms, which are words with the same or similar meaning.
Next to, beside, near, close to, above, over, below, under, in front of, opposite.
There are 3 prepositions of place that I haven't mentioned that can be tricky. In, on, at, and sometimes very confusing for ESL learners. Follow these indications and it will be very easy. Piece of cake. In. We use in when we want to refer to an enclosed space. Think of it as inside.
In a building, in a box, in my pocket.
We can also use in for open spaces.
In the garden, in a city, in France.
Or private transportation.
In the car, in the taxi.
Some special expressions within are
In the newspaper, in the sky, in a book.
on. We use on when we refer to a surface.
On the wall, on a page, on the floor.
We also use on for public transportation.
On the bus, on the train, on the plane.
And there are some special expressions with on.
On an island, on the left, on internet, on YouTube.
At. We use at when we refer to a specific location or very near a specific location.
At the corner, at the top of the page, at the end of the street.
There are some special expressions with at.
I am at work. I am at home. I am at school.
Let's use the 3 prepositions together.
You can look for a word in a book on page 23 at the top of the page. See you at school.
English with us!